prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and avoid procrastination, thereby reducing stress and anxiety.
Now, Manit will come upon the stage to recite a poem on time management.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Manit, and I am here to recite the poem, The Clock's Whispers. The clock does not shout, it merely ticks, marking seconds that subtly mix. A quiet dance of minutes and hours, building empires, blooming flowers. Time, a river, flows untamed, elusive, fleeting, never named. It does not stop for regretful sighs, nor for dreams where effort dies. Procrastination wears a velvet glove, soft, seductive, but void of love. It steals your days, a cunning thief, leaving you lost in disbelief. Each dawn the sun paints skies anew, a canvas vast, a vibrant hue. Yet moments wasted blur the art, fracturing visions, tearing the heart. To master time, you must align, your purpose clear, your actions fine. Plan your path, but leave some space for serendipity's gentle embrace. Slice your hours like a master's blade, sharpened by choices, carefully weighed. Tasks that matter, rise to the fore. Distractions vanish, they trouble no more. Balance is key, not endless grind. Rest fuels the body, sharpens the mind. Each fleeting second a seed to sow, reap its fruits as you wisely grow. So listen close to the clock's soft tune, its whispers guide the sun and the moon. Hold it gently, this gift divine, for time is yours and life is fine. Hold it gently, this gift divine, for time is yours and life is fine. Thank you.
Well done. The poem was a great reminder on the importance of time management.